So I've been trying all my possible best to melt oil from a gallon, and it has been a hell, like it's hell. I couldn't, so I decided to do something drastic without looking back. This is a 20 liter of oil that I bought from somebody that sells Ghanaian pure organic oil. So this is a gallon, and each time I want to bring out the oil, I will almost cry because the weather is completely cold. There is no how I could flip it over. I put hot water on it, just to pour hot water on it so that it could melt, for where it didn't melt. So now the next thing I should do, the thing that entered my mind now, is to just destroy this gallon. Yes, I'm destroying this gallon. After all, I am not going to use it again. I'll still throw it outside on the bin. So there is no need. So I decided to use my knife, the thicker one, and then I used a hammer to just cut them round. If you see how this oil is doing me, this oil is showing me shaky. Just to bring out oil to cook soup, it's a problem for me. I will put my spoon, I will put it in the bath, I will put hot water, the oil will still be there. I will only be able to bring out very little. The rest, I was okay. Next time, let me just go back. But I'm tired of doing this. This is what I'm doing. This video is not just to show off what I did, it's to show somebody that would need something like this. If you don't know what you are going to do, destroy the gallon, destroy the gallon. Use your knife and destroy the gallon. To make this thing was so hard, but I had to destroy every goddamn thing because I am tired bringing out oil. Sometimes I'll end up not having enough oil to cook. You can imagine when I have very good quality on oil at home. So this is the only option that I have. I don't have any other option than to do this. I use my hand to open it. That's it. After opening it, I then scoop everything. I see how thick it is because the weather is cold. It's freezingly cold. And even in summer, sometimes the oils are even cold. So depending on your area. So if you are like me that lives in a cold environment, please just kindly do this to the oil. Do justice to the oil. There is no excuses. I'm going to throw this gallon away. You can imagine how the suffering. When I have oil in the house, I will be acting as if I don't have oil. I put it in a big pot, so I'm going to remelt it on a very low heat. That's what I'm going to do. Been suffering this for a long time. Every time I will bring out oil, I will be suffering. I will carry it to my sink. I will wonder, let this my sink not break. Oh, because the sink is glass, ceramic. So now it's in the fire, a very low heat, a very, very low heat. I'll gradually break them until I know that it is fully melted. Look at how it looks like. I'll keep on doing it like this to prevent it from bleaching, to not bleach. Just it's a very, 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 very low heat, just to make it warm up, and that's it. I am tired. Like my tired is tired. Buying oil and you cannot just enjoy the oil. I don't understand. This oil is so nice from Ghana, and it's so cheap. I don't know how they brought it to the UK. If you need oil, I don't sell it, but I can still refer you to the person because this oil is oiling. This oil is not adulterated oil, 100% natural. I can say if it is the oil that I used to buy from Nigeria, sometimes I buy the gallon one, and still I have to bring it with a lot of money, and still the oil you will notice the oil is under, the oil is dirty, and as well or adulterated. Some of them does not taste well, but this one, man, this Ghanaian oil, My sister, my brother, I bow for Ghanaians. So they do sometimes. I not say they are 100% normal, but this oil, this particular oil, I know it's from Ghana. It's so nice, very very good. If you want it, I can refer you. I'm not selling it. I can also refer you. It's so good. Now look at it. And now going to have a relief. I will start from the one that have yellow cover. After then, I will just melt the other one. And if you refuse to melt, I will break it again and pour it in this other one that has yellow cover. Trying to clean everything off. Guys, if you like this video, click like, share,